Hey, it's Camden. If you have not yet done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you never have to miss another episode. For the past 3 years, I have been teaching English online as my favorite side hustle. I've done this without crazy techniques or over-the-top technology, not even expensive props and rewards. I love my students. I believe in high impact with low stress, while also providing financial freedom for families. I want to help you do the same. Let me be your coach. Click on my referral link below and let's do this thing together.
Oh, you're still there. Awesome. Well, it's been a couple years since my last video. I'm still here. 3 years, going strong next month. VIP Kid has been amazing. I think that you remember me maybe something like this. But now I still kind of look like this. This is the real me. This is actually my classroom. You want to take a look? Ta-da! This is my living room. This is my desk, and there's my classroom. I used to spend a lot of time making extra space and trying to set up my classroom just perfect, but I realized I didn't have to. The real teaching tool is right here. It's me. It's you. Obviously, when you're first getting hired, you're going to want to do your very best. You know, want to make sure your lighting's good. Want to make sure that you're speaking slowly. You're able to express yourself through the camera. I used to have hundreds upon hundreds of different props, and literally I now have, let me see if I can show you. There you are, Dino. I have one little drawer of things that I get out every so often to use to teach. And I don't have a separate space. I wanted my computer to be up here in my living room next to my kids in the morning. So every morning, this is what I do. I set up my ring light. It's not even a ginormous one. This is just like a 6-inch one. I have my chair, I have my props. These things, what are these things even called? Screens, I think. I set up this screen behind me. Looking at me, this is about what they see. They see part of my map and they see my screen behind me, and the light comes through the screen. Ta-da! I guess I have one little lamp right here, and of course, a cute little plant. Hello, Mr. Succulent. So I do have my whiteboard that I just bring over here, and this is where I do my reward. I actually draw a picture. So I don't even have rewards. Markers and a whiteboard for my rewards. But that's it, you guys. And that job has just been amazing. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars just by doing that. Waking up every morning, teaching for a half hour to 2 hours in my living room, in my pajamas. Sometimes I'll just throw on a jacket. There's not like a dress code. I usually have my glasses on, never any makeup, and I just make money. Then I've already made a good $40 by the time my kids wake up. So 3 years is a long time doing this. 3 years is a long time waking up early. Truthfully, you get used to it. I have quite a few highlights. Lots of students that book my classes that fast now because they like my style. If they're booking my classes that often just for teaching in my living room with very few props, then you have to take a look and say, you must be doing something right. So subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm just going to be giving you the real here. There's incredible teachers out there. We all have our different styles, and I just want to give you the bare minimum. Is that bad to say? We're all busy, right? And if we can do this job in the bare minimum, but at the highest quality, make lots of money, it's something I can get behind.
I am so excited to work with you to simplify life and bring some great income into your home. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below, like this page, and check back in as we simplify teaching online.